How to change currency on the Temu app. So of course, first things first is open up your Temu application and make sure that you're currently running the latest version of the app. In here, simply log into the account where you would like the currency to be changed. Once logged in, you should be able to see the U tab at the center portion of your screen. Simply tap on that, and then at the top right hand corner of your screen, you will be seeing a gear icon. Tap on that again, and this is going to be your Timo app settings. So you won't be able to change any of the currency if you tap on currency. So what you want to do first is of course change your country and region. So once you successfully change your preferred country and region, it will automatically be changed on the currency depending on the country and region that you choose. And that's basically it. It's very easy. That is how you change currency on the Timo app.